Welcome to PSS, Central Institute of Vocational Education, Bhopal. As you are aware, under the Samagra Shiksha, an integrated scheme of Government of India, vocationalization of education for classes 9 to 12 has been implemented in 27 states and union territories. At present, 10,000 schools with approximately 12 lakh students are enrolled in various vocational courses in the country. The new National Policy on Education 2020 put special emphasis on vocational education. It also aims 50% of the schools to offer vocational education program in a phased manner. So there will be a growing demand for trained vocational teachers. In this regard, I am very happy to share with you that our institute for the first time is going to offer an exclusive diploma in vocational education and training program for developing vocational teachers. This program will be offered through distance learning mode. It is mainly offered to pre-service, in-service, and for all those teachers who are looking for the jobs. The overall aim of this program is to fulfill the demand of trained vocational teachers in the country, with special focus is on strengthening vocational education and training in the school system. As far as program design is concerned, it is a one-year program divided into 4 tri-semesters. The overall DVT program is specially designed based on learning outcome. There will be 8 compulsory and 2 elective papers in this program. In addition, the trainees will have to undergo internship as well as to undertake a project work. The program will be delivered in a blended teaching learning mode by combining distance mode, face-to-face contact mode, as well as practical component in the program. The practice component will include practical training both in the schools as well as in the industry. This will help the trainees to acquire practical knowledge and hands-on skills for effective teaching of vocational courses. The internship program and the project work will help the trainees in developing deeper understanding, acquiring practical skills for conducting skill-based training in the concerned field of vocational education. Regarding admission and more details about this program, kindly do visit our website or you may write email to us. We look forward welcoming you to PSS Central Institute of Vocational Education, Bhopal. Thank you.